I'm Brianna with WTI and I want to show you my beautiful Yolsunes chandelier.
This gorgeous chandelier comes with 3 frosted glass bulbs that diffuse light so well. It looks really classy. I have gotten so many compliments on it. I just love how clean and sophisticated it looks. And all of these pieces that it comes with are really well made. The gold paint looks natural. It's not a fake gold at all. And all of the pieces came perfect. No scratches, no dents, nothing like that. Yolsunes really packed it perfectly. And if, like me, you don't have a lot of experience hanging light fixtures, I highly recommend this one because the instructions that are included are super easy to follow. I had no problem installing this by myself. And basically you just attach all of these arm pieces to the small base and then attach that piece to the ceiling base, and then you can just take off your bracket, mount it to your ceiling, and hang your light. Super easy. Another thing I love about this light is that although it's super high quality, it's really lightweight, so it's very easy to install by yourself.
I think you're going to love this light. It would be so cute in a living room, in a baby room, really just anywhere in your house. It's beautiful and classy. But that's just my point of view.